day off na naman guys, and day off na naman, pero ang init today, but it's warm. It's cold inside, but it's 20 degrees outside. So we are just going to Big W because I need some padded I need some padding because I'm getting bigger, I think. I'm gaining weight and all my bras doesn't fit me anymore, so I have to buy a new one. And its struggle is real. So anyway guys, we will just get to the car wash first and then get some lunch and then go have a look at Big W, what they have there. Pretty good today. You can actually go out now. I think they're easing the restrictions at the moment. And I need to buy some eye drops for my allergies in my eyes. Talking about being healthy guys, because I gained like 5 kilograms in the past few months. And now we are going we are going to buy something for lunch. My hubby said he will just have a
Green beans.
frozen green beans. That's impossible.
Why?
Because you're gonna get tempted with the chips and gravy. You know, hey guys, chips and gravy is so nice.
What are you having?
They call it chips, but it's actually like French fries in the Philippines, but it's a bit thicker.
What are you having?
But I am having Chinese noodles.
Is it healthy?
I don't know. But it's noodles, so it should be. It's less. I'm not eating carbohydrates, guys. I haven't eaten rice for like 2 days, so it's only 2 days. I'm trying not to eat rice, but all those posts in social media just makes you feel like eating rice or something. Yeah, I actually haven't eaten rice for 2 months until the other day, because my friend gave me some soup and prawns, so I have to cook rice because the soup was just so good. So the advantage of having good Filipino friends, they make you fat.
That's soup with no rice.
They keep giving you good food.
That's soup with no rice.
No, you can't. You can't just leave the soup. It's like nilagang baka with really good nilagang baka on it, and you can't just have that with rice. Without rice, the rice is life. Andito na tayo sa Big W, guys. Punta lang tayo ng camp. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to chemist and buy some eye drops. Oh, we are here, strand bags. Daming tao. So much people. Shoes. Coffee. Shoes. Ang daming tao sa Big W. So much people. And then I bought the bra that I wanted. And I also bought a pan. The oven pan. Because I really need this for my cooking. Soup. Chicken, seafood udon soup. So yeah, just put the soup there. Yummers. Later. Let's eat. So guys, I'm just here at school, and then I just went to Kohl's today and bought some newspaper, and then I found another specials, guys. So yung eggs dito mahal. So usually $5 yan siya, but this one is $2 na lang, so I bought 3. 3 siya, guys. Save $3. So diba 60 pesos for 12 pieces na. 12 pieces na siya na eggs. So ano siya? Cage free. So it's free range eggs, and then yeah, just newspaper and milk. And then I'm just waiting for the kids to come out from school. It's 30 degrees outside actually today. It's not too bad. I'm so thirsty. So yeah guys, ang daming special dito sa ano ay sa Coles. Minsan kasi pag ano na yung malapit nang mag-expire, inaano na nila special. Pero eggs naman to, okay lang to ilagay sa fridge. Kasi dati merong mga 50 cents, mga seafoods, especially afternoon. Mga half price o minsan nga clearance na like reduced to sale. So ginagawa nilang mga 50 cents para mawala na siya sa shelf. At ngayon naman nagsisimula na silang magbenta ng mga Christmas stuff. So meron na doon mga Christmas. So yung mga Halloween, kasi nga tapos na yung Halloween, inaalis na nila sa shelf yung Halloween. Kini-clearance na. So if you're very smart, kung mag-special na, doon ka nga mamili tapos gamitin mo next year. Tapos yeah. So gusto ko sana pumunta ngayon sa Kmart, kaso lang wala na akong time. Magluluto pa ako mamaya ng chicken ang ating ulamin mamaya guys, with veggies. So I'm just waiting for the kids here, and I think that's about it for today. Tignan niyo itong anong tree guys, yung ganda oh. Tignan niyo siya, yellow na yellow. Very nice. Yun guys, minsan nakakabili ako ng mga seafood. Kahapon may nakita kong lobster tail. Ano siya, $7 for 2. Pero hindi ako bumili kasi hindi ako marunong magluto ng lobster tail. Masarap sana yung adobuhin, pero 2 pieces lang. Parang hindi naman yata yun sulit. Gusto ko yung whole lobster talaga, pero ang mahal ng seafoods dito guys, kasi ang layo-layo namin sa dagat. Nasa Melbourne pa yung dagat, mga 2 hours away from here. So meron namang mga fresh na seafood store, pero ang mahal minsan, ubos-ubusan din. So yeah, kaya yun guys, maraming specials dito sa Australia, mga clearance, half price, minsan 70% off. Tapos mga clearance, yun lang. Yun yung magandang time na mamili para ilagay sa balikbayan box. Pero yung mga chocolates na kini-clearance, hindi masyadong ilagay sa box kasi minsan nag-i-expire din siya. So, yun guys. I hope you have fun and take care. I hope you all safe from this pandemic, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!